In this little screencast, we're going to talk about gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy as they relate to mechanical energy. Now, mechanical energy is gravitational potential energy plus kinetic energy. So the total kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy end up being called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is an important concept because it allows us to consider how something is changing energy between gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. So a classic way of looking at this would be considering a roller coaster. Now, a roller coaster is going to start off and it's got energy as it travels, and as it travels up to the top of the peak, it has all gravitational potential energy and zero kinetic energy. So at this point on the roller coaster, we would say that this is all gravitational potential energy. But when we get to the bottom of the roller coaster, all of that gravitational potential energy has been turned into kinetic energy. And the kinetic energy is going to be at its peak, well, ironically, at the bottom of the roller coaster. The roller coaster is traveling the fastest, and it has maximum kinetic energy. So we transfer gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. But all the while, we have the same amount of mechanical energy. So halfway down the roller coaster, we're going to have the kinetic energy and the gravitational potential energy will be equal. The gravitational potential energy equals the kinetic energy because at this point, we've used up half of the height and it's been transferred into movement energy. Well, this is very helpful for us to discuss mechanical systems where we've got something that has both a height component and a speed component. So maximum kinetic energy is at the bottom of the roller coaster, maximum potential gravitational energy is at the top, and halfway along the middle they should be equal values. Hopefully this helps you understand the connection between gravitational potential energy and mechanical energy. It is also a consideration if you had a ball and it was going to be dropped. At the top of the ball's height, all of the energy is going to be gravitational potential energy, mgh. And at the bottom, it's going to be all kinetic energy, and it's going to be 1/2 mv squared, because all of that gravitational potential energy has been converted into kinetic energy. But at any given point, the total mechanical energy is the same. So, because mechanical energy is equal to the potential or the gravitational potential plus the kinetic energy at any given point. Mechanical energy should not change. Hopefully that helps you out.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.